If you want to know how to take your hair from this to this in just a few easy steps, stick around. In today's video, I'll be going over a few easy steps to make sure you know and understand how to style your hair doing finger coils. So I started off by rinsing out my hair with warm water, and then I went in with my Cream of Nature shampoo. When you're shampooing your hair, make sure you're getting it into your scalp and not just onto the surface of your hair because it's your scalp that needs cleaning. I've been saying this for a few months now. Make sure to not use your nails when massaging your scalp and more to use the tip of your fingers. So I rinsed that out, and now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Conditioner and just apply it all throughout my hair. For conditioners, I personally recommend the Shea Moisture Conditioner because it's thick and it has my hair feeling really soft. So I didn't use any combs or brushes to detangle my hair, but I just used my fingers instead. So now I'm going to be going in with my shower cap and just put that on my head and make sure it's nice and secure and let it stay there for 20 minutes. I recommend people with type 4 hair, especially 4C, to use shower caps, but I definitely recommend using a steamer also because it works better than a shower cap just to moisturize your hair. My hair felt really soft like always, and then I just rinsed it out and just pat dried my hair with a clean towel. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the steps for styling. I'm going to go and section my hair into 4 equal quadrants. Now that I have my sections, I'm going to go in with my Big Papa Gel to style my hair. Alright, so what I do is I take my section, I apply my styling product choice, which is the Big Papa Gel, smooth it onto my hair, and then just split that section into subsections, and then start finger coiling. So to finger coil is just basically just taking your section and then going in a circular motion from root to ends, like so. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and doesn't take too long. It just depends on how fast you are doing it. I've gotten a lot faster because of my YouTube and because I do it so consistently. So it only takes me about an hour and a half to finish. But yeah, these are what the first few coils are looking like. Let me know if you guys have trouble doing the back of your head too, because I know for me it is the most excruciating part of styling my hair. And it's also very annoying to do. The front is super easy, it's simple and it's quick, and then the back takes so long. So because I started from the back, I'm gonna have a slow start but a fast finish because I'm gonna do the front in the end. But yeah, so I finished the back of my head. It took me about 45 to 50 minutes. Not too long, but some might say that's pretty long, but I've gotten used to it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water just to reactivate my curls. And these are what they're looking like. So I'm gonna finish this front section real quick for you guys. This video is not really too edited. This last part especially, I didn't really edit that much. Just so you guys can have an idea of how long it would really take. I would have posted this video earlier, a few days ago, but I did have a basketball tournament, so I had to move. And then, yeah, it just took me the whole weekend to do it. So yeah, I'm editing now, and then I'm gonna post it in a few minutes, so you guys are gonna see it. Let me know if you guys like the video so far. If you guys do, and if you guys understand how to do the finger coils, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any video ideas for me, let me know also, and I'll definitely check those out. But yeah, you guys can skip to the end of the video to see the end results. If you guys don't understand yet, I'll just explain it in the comments just so you guys can get a better understanding of it. But yeah, you guys can skip to the end and I'll see you guys there. So I didn't realize I was so close to finishing, but yeah, these are the results. I'm all done. These are the finger coils. I'm really happy with the results. Let me know if you guys like it too in the comments. After that, I did diffuse it and then use a pick to pick out my roots just to give it some extra volume. But yeah. And so this is what my hair looks like after separating my finger coils. I really love to separate them because I feel like they give off a better look and a more curly look. This is the end of the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.